if anybody is having any doubts, so don't worry. You will be all given access to our recordings. So later also you can go ahead and do it. But in case if you have missed anything, I'll be going very slow. You know already, if somebody knows me, like already, I'll give you some time to do it. So don't worry about your things. Okay. How it will be going. If you have any doubts, you can just ask me in the end of the session, or in between also will allow you to ask few questions. Okay, is it all fine? So you can do this symbols, like if you are okay, then you can show thumbs up. If you're not okay, then thumbs down. And you can also raise your hands when you have any doubts. Okay.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
I'm creating my Scratch account.
Okay, great. So if you already have your Scratch accounts, that's all good. If you don't have the Scratch accounts, you can go ahead and create it now. Okay, and
how to create Scratch account. But before that, we will see what is the thing that we are going to do today. Okay, shall we see what is the thing that we are going to do today? So we are going to do a game. Basically, our Christmas is nearing us, right? So we are going to do a game where a secret Santa will be like throwing some gifts to us, and this small little girl represents us. Okay, and she's going to collect the gifts, and the gift is going to be recorded. How many gifts she is going to collect, something like this.
Oh, to catch up,
Yes. You know how to do that. That's simple.
That's simple.
Yeah, it's really simple.
Hey, that's great. So
Yeah, simple. I made a game to this.
Very good, very good. So how many of you know Scratch already then? How many of you know Scratch?
I know. Me.
Okay, this is going to be very fun today. This is going to be very fun today. So I have created a very basic version of it. Okay, this is for the beginners. Okay, I have created it for the beginners. People who already know about this, so you can go ahead and create your own Scratch game. Okay, in the Christmas theme. So you can just use so many similar characters related to Christmas. You can do a igloo kind of thing set up. You can have a snowman, then snowflakes can be like falling, you can collect it. So something creatively you can do it. People who know Scratch already. Okay, people who doesn't know Scratch, you can follow me here. Okay, people who are beginning now and who doesn't know Scratch, you can follow me here. Is that all good?
Yeah, we're not learning Scratch, but I know what Scratch is. We have made
good.
games. We've done
So
stuff.
if you have already done this particular part, like this particular game, you can go ahead and create your own games. That's what I'm telling you. Okay. So once you have completed, I'll be telling you the contest part, right? So you can participate in that contest immediately. Okay. So don't worry about it.
I have a question.
Yes, Lucky.
So what if you did coding that's not in Scratch, but like in a different thing, like code.org?
That's okay, no problem. If you know already how to make this particular game, you can go ahead and create it. If not, you can follow me. Okay. It's very simple. Okay. So without wasting much time, what I'll do, I'll just show you how to join Scratch. Okay.
Actually, what if you already have an account? Just like
if you already have an account, if you already have an account, please use that account. Please log into it and use it. If somebody don't have an account, you can follow me here. You can click on join Scratch. Okay, can click on join Scratch and give your username and password. You can create a username, like that should be with your nicknames, or it should be unique name. If it is showing it is already been taken, please go ahead and rewrite your username. It should be something like unique.
Sir?
Yes.
I just missed the last 3 minutes of class.
No, nothing you have missed. Just now we have started.
But I already have my Scratch account.
Yeah, if you have your Scratch account, don't worry. You can directly log into your Scratch account.
Okay.
Hi, Varish.
Yeah. Sir.
Yeah. Don't worry. If you have already Scratch account, Charvi, yes.
I have another class at 6:30, so I have to leave at 6:30.
Okay, you'll be getting all the recordings of the session. Don't worry.
Okay.
Yes, yes. Arjun, if you have a very important questions, then only you can raise your hands. Otherwise, you can put your hands down. Okay. So I hope you have created your username and the password by clicking Join Scratch. Okay. Once you have done this, you will be asked with date of birth. Like you can give your date of birth, and then directly you can just give all the credentials that is being asked, like the email ID and everything. So if you're not able to do this, please ask your parents to come in. Yes, Sahasra?
Should we have to put our actual date of birth?
Yeah, you can put. It'll ask for the month and the year. That's all. Right? It'll ask
Is it okay if I like use a different sprite and a different background for the project?
Yes, definitely okay. But make sure that it'll be in the theme of Christmas.
Yeah, I'm gonna make a Christmas theme.
Okay. You can do that. You can do that. So I hope all of you have your Scratch accounts. Are you creating? How many of you are creating? Please, can you raise your hands? How many of you are creating it? Okay. Okay. If you have already got it, please go ahead and create your game. Put a lot of animations to it.
I have a question. I don't know how.
Okay, don't worry. Then you can wait.
Uncle,
Yes.
I don't know how either.
Okay. So if you have all created your Scratch account, have you created your Scratch accounts?
Yes.
Okay, good. So how many
Yes.
of you are still creating it?
But are we actually starting right now?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
I'm just waiting for some of you are still creating the Scratch accounts. That's why I'm waiting here. So I'm giving another 2 minutes. Okay. So after that, we're going to start our game.
Sir, are you going to teach us through the game or we have to create it?
No, I'm going to teach you. If you already know about it, then you can go ahead and create it. That's what I was telling. Someone.
Uncle, I have a question. So do we have to put like foreign presents if we're like doing it with you?
Sorry, I'm not getting you. Can you just repeat again?
Do we have to put like exactly what you put, or can we put whatever we want? Like in the same, like we put the same code, but we put whatever we want.
Okay, see here, the theme is to collect the gifts, from the Secret Santa. Okay, if you know already how to do it, you can go ahead and create your own. That's what I'm telling you. If not, then you can follow me. You can create as I'm creating it. Very simple.
I have a question.
Okay.
I don't.
Okay, see, let's keep it very simple. Okay, you please follow me. This very simple. Okay, you please follow me so that you will be like doing everything is been thought. Okay. Okay, now I feel many of you have created your accounts. If you have not created your accounts, I will paste the link. There is a video tutorial here, so that you can just go ahead and watch this tutorial. And we'll also be giving you that video tutorial also in the chat going forward. Okay, so this is the YouTube link you can see on my screen. So going to this YouTube link, you can create your Scratch. You can see how to create your Scratch account. And now I'm just, starting the session of how to create this project. Okay. Since you have all seen this project, maybe just I'll show you for the people who have joined now. Let me sign into my account.
3 types. 3 types are.
Okay, I want all of you to be in mute. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay, now I'm just going to show you the game that we're going to do today. Just a repeat because many of you have joined now. That's why. See, this is the game that we're going to do. So a girl is moving right and left. So you'll be able to move right and left. And then gifts are falling from the sky. So this is the one of the parts in the game. And selection of the sprites is another one. Okay, there are three things.
Sir,
Yes.
your screen freezed. We can't see what you're doing.
Is this the same problem for all of you?
No,
it's
it's
not.
not.
No, I can see it
It's
perfectly.
not. I can see it. We can see it.
I can see it perfectly.
Okay.
Only a
I
bit.
can see it perfectly.
I can see it perfectly.
Okay. Okay.
See.
Okay. See, there are four parts in the game. Okay, there are four parts. Please listen to this. One is selection of the sprites. So which is very easy. All of us can do. The second part is movement of the character, right and left. Okay, we're just going to give a right and left movement for the character. So that is the second part. So that is through the keyboard controls. Okay, and the third
Excuse
part
me?
is yes, Sahasra.
So like, I know like mostly how to do this, but like, can I like add my own background, like my own person like that, and do the same thing?
You can do it, but the only thing is just keep it related to a Christmas theme. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, good. So now the third part is the falling of the gifts, right, from the sky. That is the third part that we need to do. And the fourth part will be, so I want all of you to be in mute because the session is getting recorded. And later, if you want to see this recording also, there'll be a lot of disturbance and you'll not understand what I'm talking, right? So in that case, what I'm doing is I'm muting all of you. Okay. And I'll allow you to talk once the thing is done. Okay, so I'm muting all of you. Now the third part is the gifts part, and the fourth part is we are also like counting how many gifts we are going to get, right? So this will be the fourth part. So now without wasting much time, let us start creating our project. So you have to click on the create project option. Okay, so I'll again show you where it is. So once you have logged into your Scratch account, I want also to make sure that you will also activate your accounts. Okay, you'll also activate your accounts so that you don't miss up in sharing the code. Okay, I'll also teach you how to do that. So once you have logged in, please click on this create option so that you will be into this Scratch project. And for the beginners, Scratch is a programming language. Okay, it's a very easy programming language where you can create animations and games and using this blocks of code. So there'll be sprites. There are a lot of different sprites here. So you can click on choose sprite option. So when you click on this choose sprite option, you will be having a lot of sprites in the Scratch library. So you can select the sprites that you want, and you can also put your favorite backdrops in the choosing the backdrops over here. So the first part of the game that we're going to do is choosing our scene setup. Okay, creating our scene setup and keeping it good. Okay, now I don't want this cat sprite, so I'm deleting this. Okay, first I want to have my backdrop, right? So I'm clicking on choose backdrop here. Okay, I'm clicking on choose backdrop here. Let me select a winter theme over here. Yes, there is a winter theme here. Okay, I got this winter theme in my backdrop. So I hope all of you are also doing it. Can you also do this? If you have already done, you're doing your own games, that's okay. But beginners who is following me, please try to do this. Okay. Beginners who are doing now, please follow this.
Sir.
Yes.
I can't see the winter one in mine.
You'll be
Have
able
it.
to see. Everyone will
Oh,
have
okay.
that.
Yeah, have it.
It'll be at the bottom. It'll be at the bottom. Just scroll down. Okay.
Mm.
You can scroll completely down and it'll be there in the last because it is W, right? It'll be in alphabetical order. So please choose that. I hope all of you have done that. Yes. Can you though show thumbs up if you have already done it? Yes. Okay. Show me a thumbs up because there are a lot of people. I'm just scrolling through the pages. Okay, good. Okay, fine. So the next part is now selecting the sprites. So I'm selecting this girl, cute little girl, and you can also select any sprites that you want. Maybe Avery or Abe. Okay, so I'll just take this girl so that she can catch. She has that a costume of catching the thing. Okay, is even though it's like just a dance movement, it looks like she catches it, right? That's why. Yes, Subhan.
How do you find the background?
Okay, I'll tell you. So it is very easy. It is choose backdrop here. Choose backdrop. You find this icon in your tab or on your screen.
Okay.
Okay, so you can click on this particular part and then you can choose a backdrop here. Okay, so I have got this girl and the next one is gift, right? So let me just choose a gift now. So let me type gift here. You can also search. Okay, I'll type gift, have the gift here. So I'll keep my gift here. So the first part of the game is done. Okay, the first part of the game is done. What is the first part? The first part is to select the sprites and add the backdrop. This is the scene setup. So all of you have completed it. It's very easy. You can go ahead and do it. If you have not yet done, you can go ahead and do it. So if somebody wants to repeat, I can also tell you now. If you want to repeat, Lucky, you want to repeat? Okay. So Rishika, you also want to repeat? Yes. Okay. So the thing is, you have to. So if you have any sprites before that cat sprite, so you can delete that cat sprite here using this bin option. Okay. Using the bin option, you can delete the cat sprite and then you can choose a backdrop over here. Choosing a backdrop, you should go to choose backdrops. And if you want to choose a sprite, so these characters are also called as sprites. Please make a note of it. Okay. This is very important because we are also having a quiz in the end of this at the end of the session. Okay. So all these things will help you. So characters here are called as sprites. Okay. So if you want to select these characters, you have to go to Sprite Library. So Scratch has a very good Sprite Library. So it has many different characters and sprites here. So you can go select your character. That is a hero character who will collect the gifts from the Santa, and you can also select. You can also search for the characters here, like this gift. So gift is available. Then you can click on this. Once you click this, your character or the sprite. So let us start calling it as sprite. So that will come here. Okay, Nikita. You have doubt? Yeah, you can ask me. Okay, no problem.
It's like not. Sorry, I had my computer on mute, I think.
Okay. No problem. You have
So
already done.
no, it's also just like they're going a bit too fast.
Oh, is it fast?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Maybe I'll slow down a little. So have you
Just that
completed this part?
my internet is a little slow, so
Sorry?
My internet is slow, so it takes me a bit more time.
Okay. Please do it. No problem. Yes, Rishika, tell me.
How do you get the ballerina to change position?
Okay, so you can go to costumes. Okay. So each of your characters will have, each of your sprite will have different costumes. So you have to switch from code mode to the costumes mode over here, as you can see here. Okay. So your ballerina will be in this position initially.
Yeah.
Okay. Then you can select the favorite costume of yours, a suitable costume. Okay. And then you can set that costume like this. Okay. Just a minute. Kala ma'am, yes, you can unmute yourself, ma'am.
Yeah, I just want to tell all the kids present here, ask your questions in the chat. I request you all, do not keep putting text in the chat which is not related to this topic. We have our co-teacher, Ms. Vidhi. She will be taking the questions and writing the answers here. It's very confusing for us if I see so many chats which are not related to the topic. Please do not give unnecessary chats. Ms. Vidhi will be answering all your questions in the chat. So ask your questions in the chat. And because we're already half an hour into the session, then we'll not be able to complete the workshop. Yeah, yes, Sandeep.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. So once you have all done this, have you all done this part? Yes.
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 yes, sir.
Okay. Now the second part of the game.
I
Okay.
couldn't
Now the
do
second
it.
part of
I couldn't do it.
Okay. So see, if you're not able to do it, please be on mute. Okay. If you're not able to do it, anyway, the session is getting recorded. Okay. So you can also do it later. Okay. Let's not, keep someone else waiting for us. Okay. If our internet is slow, so let us also be very patient in doing it. Okay, you can also get this recording. So the second part of the game we are going to do, okay, that is nothing but the movement control of our main character. So she should move right and left to collect the gift. So how to make that happen? So all of you know, so some of you know about Scratch, so you can just go to events and do it. But for beginners, right? So this event blocks are the starting blocks for our code. Okay. So you can see the event blocks, motion blocks, looks, sound, all these things are there, right? So these are the different blocks. So these blocks are going to help us in actual coding. So now I'm just going to drag and drop this block to the main coding area. Okay, this is a scripting area. So I can drag and drop it like this. Okay, so I'm taking this when flag is clicked. So this is the event that I'm going to do. When I'm clicking this flag, I want to start the whole game. So that is the main idea. So once I do this, what I'll do, see, I'm going to sense it like, so whenever we are keep moving, right, we are going to repeat that action of walking or moving always, right? So the same way we are also like trying to make this girl move always right and left. So in that way, what I'm doing is forever, forever, I'm keep sensing it. Like, what is the key that I'm going to press in my keyboard? If I'm pressing the right arrow, I'm going to move towards right. If I'm clicking left arrow, I'm moving towards my left. For this reason, I need to keep sensing it always. Okay. I have to keep sensing my keyboard always. For that reason, what I'm doing, I'm going to, first thing what I did, I took the when flag clicked event. And the second thing what I did is I came to control over here, and then I took this forever block. Okay, after taking forever block, I'm taking if block. So you have all been like using this conditions for your parents, right? Or your parents will be like telling you some conditions, like if you do this homework, then you'll be getting some good goodies or something like that, or you'll be taken out. So that usually happens with our parents, or we will also have that conversation, right? Usually, so kind of if thing. Yes, have you all done that with your parents, or parents have done to you? No? Yeah, many times, right? Many times it'll happen. So the same way you're going to tell the program also. If you're clicking, that is, you have to go to sensing now. Okay. Now we have to go to sensing part, and we are going to take this key space pressed. Okay. If the key is getting what key, that is right arrow. I'm going to repeat this. Don't worry if you have not missed, like if you have not understood this. Okay. So if right key pressed, so where I took this, I went to sensing, and this is the block. Okay. This is the block that I took. If you click on the drop down menu, you see a lot of different keys that you can use from your keyboard. Okay. So I took this when right arrow key pressed. So I should move towards right. So how many of you know about horizontal and vertical? What is horizontal? Can you show me like this? Horizontal is sleeping line. Sleeping lines are horizontal. Okay. Standing lines are vertical. Okay. And this is also told as, we can also mention that as x-axis. X-axis is nothing but horizontal. Okay. Y-axis is nothing but vertical. Okay. You all know this. So you understood what is horizontal and vertical? Okay. Now, if I want to move right and left, should I move horizontally or should I move vertically? Can you all write in the chat? Should I move horizontal or vertical if I want to move right and left? Yeah, x-axis, horizontal. It's not vertical, Santosh. So it is horizontal. You have to move in x-axis. Okay, that's good. Many of you are telling the correct answer. So now what I'll do is I'll go to motion. Okay, this is very easy. I'm just quickly repeating what are the different blocks that I took. I took the events blocks first when flag is clicked. Then I went to control blocks. Okay, in the control blocks, I took forever block so that I can keep seeing whether any key is pressed from my keyboard. Okay, for that reason, I'm putting that forever block. And then I'm taking a condition block, that is if block, to check which key is pressed. So if right key is pressed, I should move towards right side. So now I'm going to motion block to see to change my position now. Okay, I'm changing my X position. Okay, I'm not just directly moving steps. Okay, because this move 10 steps will only like move towards right. Okay, this move is only for like moving stuff. But if I want to really change my position, so this is the better way to do it. Okay, kind of an improvement to your coding. So you can just change X by, I'll change X by 5. Okay, so minimum steps I'll do. So now you can see whenever I click the flag, I'll be able to move towards the right like this. So the transition will be very smooth. If you see now, the transition will be very smooth. There is another way of also doing it. Okay, this is one way of doing it. Okay, this is one way of doing it. There is also another way to do it. What is another way? It is very easy. When directly you can take this right arrow, keys pressed. This is another way. You need not to do this. You can just watch this. Okay. I'll show you the difference, how the transition will happen. Okay. This will be very, very laggy. If you do this method, what I'm doing now, that will be very laggy. You don't have to do that. But I'm just showing you. Maybe many of you would have done this also. So you can improve your coding in this way. So this method not recommended, but I'm showing you the way, how the other way also. If right arrow key is pressed, you can also change X by 5. So this also you can do it. Now you see. So just I'm stopping it. only right arrow I'm pressing. Only right arrow I'm pressing. It is not smooth. There is no smooth transition for this. Maybe once you do this, you will get to know the difference. You can do both of them. You can do both the code. And then you can just feel that difference.
Uncle, I
I
have a
hope.
question.
Yes, Sanvita.
So do you have to do both one clicks for like one for left arrow, one for right arrow? Do you have to take
Exactly.
like 2 times one clicked?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, but when I tried that, it doesn't work.
Maybe you have to change your X by -5, -5. If you're moving towards left, you have to do that.
Okay.
Yeah. So this method, the second method, is not recommended, but anyway, I just wanted to share with you. So let us continue with this first method. Okay. So I hope all of you have done this, moving towards right. Have you all done this? If not, you can unmute yourself and ask me like one by one.
I'm not done yet. Give me a
Okay, you can just go ahead and do it.
Wait, so
sir.
like, no, so like basically I did the coding, but like when I click the green flag, it's not like moving the ballerina.
No, it'll not move. It'll not start moving. So you have to click the arrow marks, then only it'll start moving.
Okay.
That is what we have coded, right? So it'll be like keep sensing when the flag is clicked, but it'll be like keep waiting for your keyboard input. Okay. Once you're going towards right, then only it'll start sensing and it'll understand it should go towards right.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Yes.
This is
Advai?
Advai. Yeah. So why did we say change x by -5? Why didn't we just do change x by 5?
See, +5 means it'll go towards right. Okay. So -5 means it'll come towards left. So it is like a number line. You have all studied about your number lines, right? So there'll be an origin 0, and towards your right, there'll be positive numbers. Towards your left, there'll be negative numbers. So it is integers, positive integers, negative integers. So that is the concept. Okay. If you have a negative integer, then it'll start coming towards left. If it is positive integer, it'll start going towards your right. Okay. So I hope you have done this particular part.
Do we do the same thing but for left again?
Yes, you have to do it for your left arrow again now. So let us start doing it for left arrow. Okay. So if okay, just wait. Okay, just wait. So you can
I have
put
a question.
1 minute. You can just put different numbers here. Okay. It can be 5, it can be 10, but if you're putting 10, then it'll just go a bigger steps. It'll take a bigger steps. If it is 5, it is going to take a smaller steps. That's all.
Also,
That'll be the
like
difference.
when I
don't see the change x by 5.
Okay, you will find it in motion and you have to scroll down.
I have a question.
Shravya?
Whenever I let it touch the present for like more than like 10 seconds, it says my score is infinity.
Okay, you are in the scoring part. See, you can ask me the doubts if you're following me here. Okay, if you're doing it on your own, please wait for that particular part to come. Okay, please wait.
I have a question.
Sorry,
How do you make the guess fall?
I'll be like covering that part. Please, if you're following this, because many beginners are there here. Okay, if you're already doing it little advanced, please wait for that particular part.
I'm doing this on my iPad, so I don't have a keyboard to press the right arrow. So what do I do?
Oh, you're doing it on your iPad.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe in that case, then you can create one more sprite and you can just click on that sprite. When that particular sprite is clicked, that right arrow sprite will be there. Okay, so when that sprite is clicked, you can do that part. Okay, maybe
Yeah.
I can give you some hints in the last. Okay, Shravya.
Okay.
So you can do it later. Yes. So okay. Wait, guys, let us continue it. So please see this. When the left arrow key So I'm just going to repeat the same action now. So if left arrow key is pressed, okay, if the left arrow key is pressed, now I'm going to change my X by -5. So this is -5. It is very easy. So the first thing what I did, right arrow, then I'm changing it by 5. Then that this whole block should be within the forever loop. Okay. So that forever, whenever I click the flag, forever, this girl will keep sensing which key you're pressing, either right arrow or the left arrow. If you're pressing the right arrow, it will move towards right. If it is left arrow, then it is left. So by doing this, we have completed doing the second part of the game, that is giving the motion control to the girl. Like she can go right and left.
Excuse me?
Sir,
Yes.
so I did like A and D, and I did it like A that makes it go left, like left bar that makes it go left, D that makes it go right, the right keyboard that makes it go right. Is that okay?
No problem. You can use any keys you want. You can.
And sir, how do you get
Ratri?
that key left arrow password and change X by 5?
Okay, see here, you can go to sensing. You can match the colors here. That is also another trick. Okay, you can match the colors. So if it is in light blue, then it is sensing. So in the sensing block, you get this key pressed, this right arrow, left arrow. You can also go through it through the recording, because in the recording twice or thrice I have repeated this. Okay, so you can just do it. It is very easy. Okay, and then the change X will be there in motion. I hope you have all done this part. So if you have not done also, don't worry, it will be recorded, right? So you can do it later also. So then the next part is the gift. So let us start doing it for the gift.
Motion button.
Wait,
Yes, Advika?
I can't find the change X into 5.
See here, you have this, can you see my screen?
Yeah.
So can you see this change X by 5, like X by 10? This
Yeah.
block here. So this is in motion, okay? In motion, you have to select this,
Minus
then you have to edit it to 5. Okay, you have to edit this number.
Okay. Excuse me.
Yes.
Whenever I click on the left arrow, it will take me right.
-5 button.
Chudu em bettaru.
That's what. See, you have to carefully see this. If you want to move towards right, it is +5. Left means -5. You have to carefully see that.
Okay, thank you.
Yes. So now the gift part, we will do the gift part. Okay. So now the gift should.
Why is it not moving?
Please be on mute. Please be patient, because many beginners are there. Okay. If you already know Scratch, as I told you, you can go ahead and do it. Okay. Because many beginners are there. Let them also learn, bro. Okay. So
Excuse me, sir.
yes,
My ballerina's not moving.
you have to click the flag.
Okay.
You have to click the flag and start testing it, right and left.
But it's still not moving. When I
Okay.
press the flag.
Okay, maybe you can wait till the end of the session. I'll just solve your problem. Okay. But try to follow the other part of the code. Okay. So let us not delay others' time. Okay. So now let us start coding for the gift. So gift should fall from the sky. So the basic rule is, so the gift should be in the top and it should start coming down. So as I told you, it will be vertical, right? So it should start moving in Y direction. So that is what the thing that we need to do. But how shall we do it? So it is very easy. I will again take when flag is clicked. Okay. When the flag is clicked, what I'm doing is I'm taking my gifts to random positions. Okay, I'm taking my gift to random positions. But before that, I want my gift always to start from here. Okay, it should not start anywhere here. So if I just click the flag, right, you can see my gift is starting in different positions. Correct? In different position. So I want always my gift to start from here. So what I can do is I have this go to XY positions. Can you all see this? It is very easy. Okay. So first what I'll do, I'll just take go to X and I'll keep my gift in the top like this. I should not hold my gift and do like this. Then it'll come to the same position. So keep the cursor at the end of the gift like this and start moving it up. So your cursor should not go out of the screen. So if it is going out of the screen, then it will not sense it. Okay. So please make sure that your cursor is like within the screen and you will play with it. So keep your gift here, or you can also directly follow my numbers here. Okay. So here you can see the number is getting updated. XY position is also getting updated. Take that XY position and keep it here. Okay. Now you see whenever I click the flag, but still, since I told XY position also, it is coming to the random position. Now I'm setting my Y position. Okay. I'm setting my Y position. Here you can see this part, set Y to. Okay. You have this block called as set Y to in the motion itself, in the motion blocks itself. Just take that set Y2 and put it here so that each time you click the flag now, it is changing the X position, means it is changing the X position, different X positions in the sky. So first time it can fall from here, the second time from here, but why it is there only. Okay. So have you all done this and understood why we are doing this part? We are setting the Y position also.
Sir, can you go through those steps again, please?
Yes, I will do it again. Okay, so when the flag is clicked, see what we did is we just took the event block when the flag is clicked. Okay, so the main idea is I am just trying to start the whole game when the flag is clicked. Okay, so that is the idea. So when the flag is clicked, I'm setting my gift position in the beginning. Okay, it should start from the sky, that is from the top of the screen. So for that reason, I took this block in the motion. Every other block that I've done is in the motion only. Okay. The second part is go to random position. So this will help us taking my gift to a random position, but still I want my gift to be in the top only, in the Y position only. So I'm fixing my Y position, but I'm not fixing the X position. So X will keep changing, but Y will be constant. Okay. So the half of the screen, if I split this screen into half, the upper part will be positive and the down part will be negative. Okay, so that's why I'm taking the positive number.
Excuse
yes,
me.
Kirtana. Yes.
The gift keeps like it keeps going to a random position. It's not like falling down.
No, it's not falling down yet. I've not coded it.
Oh, okay.
Okay, don't worry. So if you have done this part, now let us see how to make the gifts to fall. Okay. At the same time, I will take another event now. I will take another event. So I will tell the gift forever. It should be like keep falling down. So it should be like keep changing its position by -5. Okay. So what is that -5? Why I'm doing this? You can just see now. So I'm changing my Y position because see, this is horizontal, like this is horizontal. The X is horizontal and the Y is vertical. You know already, right? So the Y is vertical and it should keep falling. As I told you, this will be like positive axis, right? The half of the screen is positive axis. So since it is positive, so if it is 200, it should be like first time it should come down to 185, 195, then 190, 185, 180. So it will be like keep reducing it. If it is keep reducing the numbers, then it will keep falling down. So that is what I'm going to do now. Forever, it should be like keep falling down negatively, like -5. And if I just do this, now you see, it is falling down. Did you see that now? All of you? I'll click the flag again. From the random position, it will fall. I'll again click the flag. It'll start falling like this. So can you make this happen now, all of you? This is very easy, right? When the flag is clicked again, it is changing its position forever with -5.
So it's, yeah.
So it is falling now.
Mine is not falling.
Yours is not falling. So have
Yeah.
you all just tried doing all these things?
Yeah, mine is
The
not
pro-
falling.
The problem with
please-
mine is that
So please just, put these steps correctly, okay? The numbers are very important. These numbers are very important. If you miss this number, then you will not get this again. So
I
please
can't
try to
see
follow
the
the same
number.
Yeah,
numbers.
but it stays on the ground unless you touch
Exactly.
it.
Exactly. It'll be like it stays on the ground. I have not asked it to again move back to the top. So that's why it is here.
sir,
Okay.
Wait,
what's
did you go
the
to the
problem with mine is that it's in a pattern. It's in a pattern.
So the pattern means
Like it can go like in the right side, but then it's going a little bit to the left and then coming down like that.
okay. That's not a problem. That's not a problem. So once you have done this, the next part is I have to tell my gift. So if it is reaching down, right? If it is reaching down, again, it should go back to the top and it should fall again. Right? That is what? Then there will be a continuous motion that will happen. So that is what we are going to do now. So what is that? I'm going to control and I'm taking this if block. Okay. I'm going to control and I'm taking this if block and putting it here.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Where do you get the gift from?
From the store. Okay, I was kidding. So here from the Sprite Library. Okay, you can get it from the Sprite Library.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so now after I change my y position by 5, it is reaching the bottom. Now I have to sense it. If it is reaching the bottom, means I can only sense it through the positions of y. Okay, so now what I'll do, I'll go to operators and I'll check for the lesser than symbol. If y position is lesser than -170. So because you can see here, it is like already like -189, the position of my gift, right? So if it is already like -170, then I have to sense it so that it can go back to the top again and it starts falling down. Okay, this is very easy. So what I'll do, I'll go to operators now and I'll take this less than symbol. Okay, and then I'll go to motion. Here I get, if I scroll down a little in the motion, right? So I'll get this y position. What I did, first thing is I went to operators. Before that, I took this if block from the control, and then I put that below the change y by 5, -5. And then I took the operators. Here, it's like less than 50. This block I have to take, and then I have to go to motion. In the motion, change like I have to compare it with y. If y is less than -170, if it is like less than -170, then it should go back to this position. Don't you feel so? Initially it was here, so it has to go again there. So that is what we are going to tell. So you can just simply right click, duplicate the whole thing and just take everything out, like the first block only you have to take and put it here. So go to XY, or else you can just go to motion, directly take this go to XY position and try to give this position, give this initial position. Okay, so if you just do it now, see what is going to happen. It'll be like keep falling forever.
So the x is negative 39 and the y is 200, right?
Yes. And you can also put this random, the whole thing again, right? You can also put this whole thing again over here, so that it'll start falling from different places now. You can see the difference now. This is very simple. If you have done this, if you have understood this part, you can just repeat this part again. That's all.
I have a question.
Yes.
Kita,
1 minute.
You have the second when flag clicked, right? You
Yes.
could delete the when flag clicked and then attach the forever block to set y to 200. It would work.
Yeah, that will also work. Why I'm taking these two different events is like I want to make that differentiation, right? The first part will be the setting the position of the sprites, and the second part is the actual functioning of it. So I don't want to mix it. That's why I've just took two different events at the same time. Anyway, it's going to work on the same time, right? For that reason. Yes, Nikita. Yes, Nikita. You're excited. You want to tell something.
So like I can explain.
Uh-huh.
So like all we did was like when the green flag was clicked, we made like it go to a specific position, and then like we made it go to a random position, and then we made y 200 so it like stay in the y.
Correct.
And then we did like when green flag was clicked, it would like do the following loop forever, and then it would change y by -5, so it like keep falling.
Exactly.
And then if the y position would be like less than -170, it would like go to a specific position that we had in the first start place.
Yes, yes.
And then it would like copy pretty much the thing we put under the first when green flag clicked.
Exactly. It's very simple, right?
Yeah.
Sir, actually, when I press the green flag, my present is not, my gift is not moving. It's going like vertically. It's not like going down. It's going like sideways.
Oh, maybe you have took this change x by. Can you see carefully? You have to change y by. Okay. You have to change y by. It's not change x by. If it is moving horizontally,
Change y by.
okay, then -5 you have to put, so that it will be like keep falling it.
I put -5.
Okay, maybe you have to just carefully look. Maybe somewhere or the other you would have made some mistake in taking the set y or something. So please try to follow the same thing. It'll work like this only.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So the last part, the third part we have done. The fourth part we're going to do, because we have to sense the. Wait. Okay, wait. Okay. We have to sense the gift now.
Here is a surprise.
Okay, please be here.
I probably when nobody's actually doing it.
Okay, so we have to sense the gift also. See, this session is getting recorded and it will be difficult for you guys only later when you are listening to this recording. There'll be a lot of noise. Okay, so please be on mute. The third part of the game is done, and the fourth part, the last part, we're going to do the sensing part. So how to sense the gift? Now, again, what I'll do, just to make a differentiation of the sensing, I'll take another when the flag clicked. Okay. Again, what I'll do, forever, I'll be keep sensing something. Forever, I'll be keep sensing something if my gift is touching the girl. Okay. So how will I do that? So again, I'll take if block. Okay. I'll take the if block. then I'll go to sensing. Then I have the first block in the sensing. I'll take this first block and I'll tell if touching ballerina. Okay, if the gift is touching ballerina, then what should happen?
Oh, you mean the score thing?
Yes, I'm teaching you the scoring part, means the sensing part first.
Variable.
First, the ballerina should go sense it first. Okay.
I
It should
actually
go
did it
sense.
the other way around. If the ballerina touches the gift, not if the gift touches the
Okay.
ballerina. Is that okay?
That's also fine. That's also fine. That's not a problem. Okay. Since we were in gift, I'm just teaching you in the gift part only. Okay. First, the sensing we will do. And
Wait,
now,
there's no
okay,
no
wait.
there. There's
Uh-huh.
only gift. Get the touching ballerina.
Yeah, same for me too. I can't find my spy. I can only see edge, mouse pointer, and gift. I can't.
Because you are in ballerina. That's why you're able to see gift there. So if you are there in the gift, if you're coding for gift, see, I'm telling the gift now to sense ballerina.
Now, is
Okay.
there class today? Sanskrit class? Huh?
Excuse me?
Please be on mute, all of you. It is very important. Please be on
Where
mute.
do you get touching?
Okay. So the touching sprite will be there in here in the sensing. Okay. So I'm repeating it again. Okay. Don't
Okay, I
worry.
got it. Thank you.
Yeah. I'm repeating it again. So the first thing is when flag clicked, all of us know where it is. Forever block also, by now you know where it is. If block also, it will be in the control. So the sensing block,
Excuse you.
it is touching ballerina because I'm doing for gift. Okay. You can see which is highlighted here. I am programming it for gift. Varish, please wait, no? So the next part is we have to, once it is touched, I'm going to copy the same code. Okay. It is duplicate of that same code and I'm putting it inside this if loop, if condition. So whenever now, like at last, the sensing part is also working now. So whenever the girl touches the gift, see here, it'll again start from the top. Or the other way, what we can do, the other way also, it's like to the ballerina also we can code. We can code for ballerina also. If, for example, when the flag is clicked, forever, I have to check for a condition if, if it is touching gift, if she is touching gift. So gift is also available. If you're coding for ballerina, then you have to select gift. If you're coding for gift, then you have to select ballerina. It is vice versa. So one of them you can do. You need not to do both. One of them you can do.
Excuse me.
Yes.
In the page, I couldn't find where the gift was.
In the sprites, you are not able to find the gift.
Yes.
Okay, you can simply just go type here in the search and type gift in the search bar. So then you will get that gift there. So see here, GIFT gift. Get this. Okay, so let's also like quickly understand how to get the score of it. Okay, so we will start creating variables. Okay, so how many of you know about
Excuse
variables
me?
here? Yes, Sahasra?
Actually, my gift is lagging and still jumping.
It is jumping.
I have
Huh?
no idea why.
Okay, maybe you have
I
to
know,
you would have missed some block over here. Just see carefully and you can later
but I
do
got
it.
all the blocks, but it's still doing it.
Oh, is it? Maybe we'll
Yeah,
just
same
address
for
in the
me.
last. We'll address
Same
in the
for
last.
me.
My gift is like going down, but what it's doing is like going down halfway. It's not going like full. It's only going halfway down.
It's going only halfway down, is it?
Yes, it won't touch the ballerina.
So when it is touching ballerina, what will happen? It'll again start from the beginning. So that is what the game is, right? So when she is touching it, it'll again start from the beginning. But if she is not touching, it should go touch the ground like this.
She's not touching, but it's still. Oh, I see what you're saying.
See here. you just observe the screen. Observe my screen, what is happening. See, if she's not
Then-
touching, it will go down. Okay. If she's touching, then it should again go back to the beginning, like
It's
start.
not touching, but it's going back to the beginning. But my
Okay, then maybe you would have just told it's like minus, instead of minus 170, you would have put some other number. You can see this, and it should be like less than.
oh my,
Okay.
you have to put minus 170.
Yes, yes.
Oh, X or the Y?
Yeah. So Y position should be minus 170. That's what you have to do.
Sir,
Yeah.
mine is my Y position is less than negative 160 and it's still working.
Yeah, that should be working because it is all about touching the ground over here. That's all.
Okay.
So that should work. That's not a problem. Okay.
Mine
Yes,
is not
Nivedita?
going back to the beginning.
Nivedita?
Can you go back to the ballerina?
Yes, sure.
My gift,
wanted to see what blocks you have.
Yes.
one question.
Yes.
So now, first my gift started going down, but then it touched the ballerina, and then it started going like sideways. Like it started going sideways like so fast.
Means you have put this change Y by, you have to take, if you have put change X by, then it will not work. So please see
I
this.
put change Y by.
Okay, see, it is very easy. Just follow the blocks here. If you follow the blocks and the numbers here, it will work the same. Okay, don't worry.
Okay.
Anyway, the recording is here for you. So if it is not working, you can follow the whole recording again. So you can get to know. Okay, I'm going to
all of them in the opposite ones.
see if it is opposite ones, then you are not changing Y by -5. It will be like +5.
No, I put everything in the opposite one.
Oh, is it? Okay, that's cool. It's like now floating, like anti-gravity, huh? Okay, cool then. So the next part is the variables. Okay, how many of you know about variables? Can you raise your hands? So quickly, let us also score it now. Okay.
What do you
okay.
mean like variables, like in math or like?
It's both in math and the programming. It means the same, one and the
Okay.
same, right?
Yeah.
Lucky, yes, Lucky. Tell me, Lucky.
Can I see that?
So
Yes.
what if you did a different number, would it still work the same?
For
the
like
Y?
which numbers? Which number? Y number here?
Yeah, if you set Y to like 170, 165 or something like that.
So
Would
that
it
should
still
be like
work?
negative. It should be in the negative numbers because if you observe the positions here, right, from the origin, this will be the origin. The center of the screen is the origin. Okay. So below that, it will all be negative numbers. So since it will be negative numbers, you should always, go towards the negative numbers only. So if it is like -160 onwards, that's okay because it's already touching the ground. If it is 140 also, it's good because it's already touched the ground here. Okay, so just to make sure that it is like going and touching the ground, that's why I just took -170, but you can also put -160, -150 also. Okay, now quickly let us understand what is variable. Okay, see, now the ballerina should count like how many gifts she has got, right? So for that reason, Arjun, you have a doubt or you have already finished it?
No, I was just raising my hand for the who knows what is a
Variable.
variable.
Okay, I know you know variables. Good, thanks. Okay, now, so I have to count that, right? So for that, I require one place where I can start counting all the numbers. So it is similar to your, chocolate box. Initially, the chocolate box will be like full. It'll be of 100 chocolates. So each day you eat one chocolate. Chocolate box remains the same, but the count of the chocolates will reduce, right? The same way, the count is also like variable is something like that. Variable is nothing but a location, a memory unit where the numbers will vary. You can store something in it, but as and when you are like consuming it, it'll be like keep changing it. That is what it is. Okay. Now I'm trying to create one variable called as gifts, like number of gifts. So how to do that? I can click on variables. Okay. After clicking on variables, make a variable, and I'm making a variable called as number of, maybe I'm following the camel casing, or you can also just tell gifts. Okay. Like this. And for all sprites, I'm doing it. I'm clicking OK. So once I do this part, okay, once I do this part, what I have to do is when the flag is clicked.
So I have a question.
Please wait, please wait, please wait. Let me complete one complete cycle and then you can ask questions. So after I set my gift, like after I make my variable, I need to set my gift to 0 because initially whenever I'm starting the game, the score should be 0, right? For that reason, what I'll do, I'll take this set gifts to for if you're not able to find the gifts, you'll be able to find my variables here. So you have to click on the drop down and you have to select the gifts. Okay.
Sir,
So
do we have
please
to
wait.
click for all sprites or for only the
All
sprite?
sprites, all sprites. You have to click all sprites. Okay. So after that, you can place this when the flag is clicked, set gifts to 0. Don't worry, I'm going to repeat it again. Okay, I'm going to repeat it again, but just look it carefully. So how did we do this? I just made a variable called as I just went here. I made a variable called as gift, and then I'll clicked on OK, and that should be like for all sprites. After that, I'm setting my gifts to 0, the score to 0 initially when I click the flag, and this is the sensing block, right? So here is where I'm sensing my gift. So what I do is I will change my score by 1. So I will always count up. Okay, this is like an incremental operation that I'm going to do. When I'm touching the gift, the ballerina is like, or the gift is touching ballerina, or ballerina is touching the gift. What should happen? My score should go up by 1. So I'm changing my gift by 1 here like this. So now you can see what is going to happen. So whenever I click the flag, the gift is falling down. At the same time, whenever I touch the gift, means the ballerina is touching the gift, it's also counting up by 1. If she is not touching, it is not counting up. You can observe this. Yes.
Excuse me? Something
Yes.
happened and I can't do it.
Okay, just wait.
Flag it just goes like crazy.
I have a class that I need to go, so can I exit the meeting now?
Sure. You'll be shared. The whole recording will be shared for you. So you have to participate in the contest also, all of you. So just wait for another 2 minutes. So I'll also be explaining you about the contest.
Sir, I have a question. Can you go up a little so I can just check your code?
Sure. So
Okay.
this is the whole code. Okay, this is the whole code. It is very simple. I'm again repeating this very quickly. So whoever has not got this, you can again understand this. When the flag is clicked, what is happening is I'm setting my gifts to 0. So whenever I'm just doing it like from the beginning, you can see the gift is again setting back to 0 here. So this is what we have done. Okay. And then when the ballerina is touching the gift, it should go the count up by 1. So for that reason, I've just changed the gifts by 1 like this. Yes, Nivedita?
Excuse me?
Yes.
I can't, I do not have like the scoreboard like you do.
Maybe you would have not ticked this. You have to just click this, check this up like this. Then it will come here. That variable will come there. Yeah.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Whenever my person touches the gift, it does the score is not changing.
The score is not changing, is it? So maybe you would have not, done to gift. It will be in my variable. You have to just change it to gifts.
I did the same code, but I kept it at different spots. Is that okay?
Some gifts.
That's okay, no problem.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Can you go back to the ballerina? My ballerina is moving in a different way than usual.
Oh, it's moving up.
No, it is moving only if I click the right arrow, it is moving left.
Maybe you would have changed -5 here.
Okay, can you keep it like that for a few minutes?
Sure. You can go ahead and do this. So I hope all of you have done this game. How was this game? Good.
Almost. I just need to edit a few bugs.
I have a question.
Yes, yes. So quickly, in the next one or 2 minutes, I'm going to explain you about the contest. Okay, how to participate in the contest. So please wait, and then you will also have a small quiz after that.
Excuse me.
And then we can wind up. Yes, yes.
The ballerina is only moving a little bit.
Maybe you can change this, 5 to 10, something like that. You can change these
I have a
numbers.
question. I already tried that.
Yeah, then it should be like moving a little faster also. Maybe
But,
because of your internet speed also, they'll be a little laggy. That's all. Yes, Rishika?
My gift number at the top isn't changing. It's only staying, it's going to 1 and then it's just staying at 1.
Oh, okay. Maybe that is because have you just checked this gift is been like selected? Change
Yeah.
gift is by 1.
Yeah, I did that.
Okay, if you have done this
Then
part,
why
then for sure
two
it'll be like
hundred?
changing.
Oh, I know what I did. I accidentally
So
did
why-
2-1 instead of
Okay,
by
okay.
1.
Okay, so now since you have all did this part, I want all of you to share this project. Can you all see this share project button, share button on your screen?
No.
So how many of you can see share project button?
No.
Can you raise your hands?
I have a question. How do you delete?
So how do we delete if some
Yeah.
in the coding part, is it?
Yeah, how do you delete?
So
Sounds
just
like
right
code.
click, delete block. That is one way of doing it. Otherwise, you can just select that particular block and drag it and drop it here.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So if you don't have, if you're not able to see your share button, then you have to activate your account. Okay. How to activate your account? So when you are registering for the Scratch, right, you would have given one mail ID. So how to see that mail ID? You can just go to my profile, like or like account settings.
I did.
Okay. So here you can see email ID. So you can see which email ID you have given. Okay. So you can see which email ID you have given. Go to that particular mail ID. If you have already logged into Scratch, so go to that mail ID and there'll be, you can just, click on, change mail ID, or you can also like go to your account and activate it. There'll be an activation mail that will be sent. So once you click on the activate mail ID only, then only you'll be able to, share the projects. Otherwise, you cannot share the project. This is very important.
How do you activate it? So you go to
Basically,
settings
we
and
just
then
saw
what?
this email that came from Scratch.
Exactly. So
clicked
that will
on
be
a
in your
link.
mail. Yeah, that will be
Yeah.
on your mail.
No, so like we clicked on the link. So like we didn't sign in because I forgot my password. So then we had to do a lot of resetting passwords, but almost all passwords were taken.
Oh, okay. So don't worry. So you can create a new account and then you can start doing it again. Okay. Because anyway, the recording is here. So you'll be having the recording in your hand. So only thing is you have to sign in, activate your account. Again, I'm repeating it. Okay. Activate your account. Once you activate your account, then only you'll be able to share the project.
Sir, how do you activate it? Can you just like go through the steps?
How do you activate your account?
See, Varish, it is, since it is been activated in my end, I cannot just again show you that. That's why I'm detailing explaining you how to do that. So if you just go to your mail ID, registered mail ID, you will be getting one mail from Scratch. You would have got a mail from Scratch to activate an account. Okay, you can click that mail ID and then there'll be a small link that will be given as a button, like activate link or activate Scratch. So you can just click on that button. So then automatically your Scratch account will be activated. And
How do
then from then onwards, you'll be able to share the projects.
Sir,
I
can
want
you
like
show how to activate the account again?
See, that's what I'm repeating it since it's already been activated in my end, right? So it is
Yes.
already been activated in my end. So I'll not be able to show you that because I've already got the mail.
What do you do if you already
Okay.
have share?
So maybe I can just try to give that steps. Maybe I'll show you how to do that. Maybe in a YouTube video, you will just please be
This
on
session
mute
is
if you're
still
not.
recording.
Yeah, exactly. Because I'm going to show you about the contest and all. That's why. So now,
sir.
okay, come to this part. Okay, come to this part. Once, hoping that like just let us assume that all of us have this share button. Then how to share it with the friends? You will get this screen. Okay, I'm clicking on the share to everyone. Okay, and after this, so here.
Excuse me.
So 1 minute. Let me complete the whole cycle and then let me take a questions. Okay. So here you have to type something like this. SAPThora. Okay. Hyphen. This is very important for the contest. Okay. Then only you will all be like able to, we'll all be able to view this particular projects. Okay. This naming convention should be there. SAPThora hyphen code with Santa by your name should be there. Okay, so this should be the naming. Yes, Sahasra,
I have
please.
2 questions.
Yeah, 1 minute. Let me complete the whole thing, okay? And then I'll take the questions. I'm here, okay? I'll be there for another 15 or 20 minutes also. No, not a problem, okay? But let me complete the whole process. So you have to name it in this way. SAPThora hyphen code with Santa by your name. Okay, once you do this, like, let me just show you that. Code with Santa by Sandeep. It should be like this. Okay,
Isn't
then
like the session gonna end in 1 minute?
no, it's not going to end. No worries. So now you can give the instructions like when the flag is clicked. Okay, to start the game, click the flag. Okay. And then to move right and left, use the arrow keys. To collect the gifts. So this is how you will write the instructions. Okay, so you can be very creative on your instructions and you can also give your own instructions. If you have used A press, button B press and all those things, you can give that. And then later part in the credits and notes, since you have learned this project from SAPThora, you can give a small credit to SAPThora also because they have given you a chance like to learn this project, right? So you can just put this. Thank you, SAPThora, for giving me opportunity to participate in coding with Santa workshop. And you can also visit SAPThora for like more learnings. You can also refer your friends, so that they can also come start learning about it. So after giving all these things, see, this is getting recorded.
Can you tell me the instructions?
See, this is getting recorded. Please wait for some time, right? So you will be getting all the instructions. Okay, so once you have done all these things, okay, you can click on copy link, okay, and keep it with you. So click on copy link. So once you click on copy link, this is the link that you need to share it with us, like share it in your Instagram account and Facebook accounts. Okay, your like father and mother Instagram accounts also you can share if you don't have your personal one. Okay, so you can copy this link. So you can click on copy link and copy the link over here, like copied, and you can have it here as of now. So once you have done this, Now I'm just going to tell you about the contest details. Okay. So please be very patient. Please be mute. Please be on mute, all of you. Please be on mute, all of you. Okay. See, the first thing for the contest is you will be getting a WhatsApp message. Okay. Your father or whatever the registered number is there. For that number, you'll be getting a WhatsApp message. So you have to register, like telling the confirm, like you're participating in this contest, and you can tell yes. Okay. After telling yes, so to come, you have to complete the project. Now, if you have not done the project, since we'll be like sharing you the recording, you can see that recording and you can complete the whole project again. Okay. So after completing the project, you can share a screenshot. So there will be a print screen option in your system. Okay. So you can click that so that your screen will be taken a screenshot, or you can take help of your parents to do that. So you can take the screenshot of this particular page like this. Okay. Once you take the screenshot of this page, what you have to do is you can go to like your Facebook accounts like this. Okay. Then you can post something like this, like I have done coding with Santa workshop with SAPThora, and you can add a photo here. Or if you feel, you can also record a video of your own and you can just post it here. Okay. So once you have all done this, you can click on post, and you can also put your link here like this. So you can just go back to your SAPThora, sorry, the Scratch account, copy the link again. Okay, copy link, come back here and paste it here. Okay, so this is the photo. So copy paste it. That's all. Copy paste. So here, copy the link. Copy the link and paste it in your Facebook account or your Instagram accounts. Okay, you can also
like, what is paste? Control P.
So just wait. Let me complete the complete thing and then I'll take your questions. Okay, and then you can click on the post. So once you have done this,
and one more thing I want to add it here. You need to please tag SAPThora.
yes.
There is a tag feature in Facebook. You need to tag us, because otherwise we don't get
Yes.
your post. Okay, that is the mandatory thing, and you have to tag at SAPThora.
Yeah, like this at SAPThora. Okay, tag us using this at SAPThora, and you can also use your hashtags like hashtag SAPThora coding contest, and you have to put this part, and then you can start sharing with your family and friends. So the maximum likes you get to win the game, right? Whoever get the maximum likes, so they'll be announced as a winner. And the last date to submit all your contest is 19th of December. Within this date, you have to post your entries actually. Okay, so the sooner you do, more likes you get, right? Within 19th of December, you have to participate in this. Post 19th, if you're doing, then you will not be considered. So just also keep this in mind, and it will be, the contest will be there for 5th of January. Till 5th of January, we'll be taking the count of likes. So on the 5th of January, we are going to announce the final winner, like who has won the contest. Okay, you can be very creative on your games over here. So you can start adding different gifts here. You can, take a gift friend sprite, all those things. You can be creative in your game related to Christmas. So in that way, it will be very, innovative. You can just think innovatively, and you can participate in the contest. And at last, you'll be again, like whenever you are confirming for this message, you'll be given a you have to your parents have to give your name, so that you'll be given a participation certificate, okay, for this particular workshop. And then later, just want to explain you, so if your parents are here, it'll be very good. Now if not, also you can tell your parents that we have so many different courses in our programming workshops like this. So Scratch is one of them. We have mobile app development, Python programming, and recently we have launched fundamentals of coding. If you have your siblings who is like 5 years and 5 years to 7 years, you can ask them to check out for this particular program called as fundamentals of coding. Okay, this is a very interesting part where they can start learning the coding at their very early age, right? So you can also book a demo for it. So you can always take a demo with us. So it'll be like one-on-one demos, and you can understand more about fundamentals of coding. If you are 5 years and 7 years, if your siblings are there or if friends are there, you can also refer them here. Okay, and we are also upcoming with some different courses, some creative courses here, like 3D designing, Arduino programming, all those things. So you can all, we are very eager to release those courses, and it is coming very soon. So if you're interested in that also, you can also leave that comment in your WhatsApp chat. Okay, so you can also let us know which is the programming course that you are looking for, so that we can reach back to you, so that you can also take that courses with us, right? And then at last, there is a sale that is going to happen. There is a Christmas sale which is happening. So I want, Vishnu here to tell about this more. I will take all the questions. Okay, don't worry, please be very patient. I'll take your questions. I'll be here for some more time. So Vishnu, you're here?
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
So thank you, Sandeep, for the session.
Yes, yes, thanks, Vishnu.
So we are having a Christmas big sale. So when you use the code Xmas, you will be getting 100% off on the first month for all our courses. So you can book a demo, and if you're enrolling now, within 15th December to 10th Jan, you'll be getting the 1 month course fully free. So you can either contact on the number provided, or you can visit the website www.sapthora.com, or you can even mail at us support@sapthora.com. Thank you.
Yes. So before we get into the quiz part, I will take questions now. Yeah, you can ask me questions if you have. So please raise your hand. So I'll just, Nikita, yeah, you can go
Is
first.
the contest mandatory?
Yes, you can participate in the contest so that you can win a
No,
prize
like
money.
do you have to participate in the contest?
Yeah, it's your wish. Like if you participate, you can win. There is a chance to win a like $100 voucher.
Yeah.
Also,
Amazon gift voucher.
I have a question.
Yeah.
So how do you share the project you did?
So I just showed in the recording now. Like you can go back to the recording and you can see this. Otherwise, also like quickly, I'll show you here. You can just go to your Facebook accounts. You can just, what's in your mind will be the thing here. You can just write about like have done coding with Santa, workshop with SAPThora. And here is a contest I'm participating in, and you can paste the link that you have done. And then you can also attach a photo or a
I have a
video
question.
that you have.
Like
Just one.
the
If you don't know to
project
do this, see, if you don't know to do this on your own, please take help from your parents. That is
I don't know how
the
to do this. Like,
where do
on
you
here,
post the project?
on your Facebook or on your Instagram accounts.
But
So
how
that you,
like
Other page.
sorry,
how will you like see it?
see, you have to tag us. That's what you have to tag people is there, right? In this tag people, you have to type at SAPThora.
I think
Okay.
it's a capital S.
But it says no people found.
1 minute.
It's a capital S.
Do capital S.
Yeah.
capital S.
Sridhar,
No,
Sridhar, can you help me?
there is a video. There is a video actually. Go to the presentation. There is a video.
Okay.
Can you open that video?
I have a question after. I have a question after this.
Yes. 1 minute.
Okay. So, like, also, My question was like, is the concert? I mean,
So
is
can
it
you
like
refresh? Can you refresh your Canva page?
Yeah.
also is it mandatory like the competition and everything?
No, it's not.
It's not mandatory.
Okay.
See, you can see here, right?
And if you go to the previous slide, there is a video link.
See here.
Yep, click on that video. It will show you how to post.
Well, like, how do you get that link to the video?
See, I'll be sharing this in the chat, and also everything will be shared it with you. Okay.
Okay.
Which did
Yeah.
everything in the chat. Okay.
Can you go to
Wait,
the other
sir.
page where
So you can just
So-
see this now. Carefully see this.
can you go to the other one?
I have a question.
Just wait.
Like, do you have to create your own project?
Yes, you can create your own projects, and you can also recreate this project in your own way, and you can do it.
So does it have to be with so does it have to be with Christmas, or like can it be with like anything?
So it can be with the Christmas theme. That's what we are doing it, because we are
Okay.
nearing to Christmas, right? So we are doing it with the
So,
Christmas
but-
theme.
So I have created a project.
Mhm.
I have added multiple gift droppers, and so
Good.
so can I edit the project or no?
Sure. You can edit the project. That's not a problem at all. No problem at all. Yeah, Pranita.
When I touch the gift, it's not changing the score. But at
Sorry,
the same
sorry.
time.
So you are not able to change the score. Okay, see, this is what you have done.
Did you share the link?
Yes.
See, all the links will be shared with you. Please be on mute. Please be on mute. All the links will be shared with you. So here, this Pranita, can you see this code again? So this is all recorded. You can just go ahead and just carefully see which are the blocks that we have took. You can redo the code again. Okay,
I
it
did
is
the
not
exact same, but it's still not working. I checked everything.
okay. Now you click on the flag. Did you click on the flag and then you started seeing this?
Yes.
Did you also put forever block for sure?
Yeah, I did.
So maybe in that case, I will give you the permission to share your screen quickly. Can you share your screen?
Okay.
Wait,
Okay.
sir.
Varish, please 1 minute.
Wait. Okay.
Can you quickly share your screen?
Are we allowed to leave? Hello? Are we allowed
Can you scroll down? Can you scroll down? See here in the sensing part, you have not put, change gift by 1. Did you see that? That's why I told you have to carefully observe everything. So you can stop presenting your screen and I'll start presenting my screen so that you will understand the difference.
Excuse me?
Just 1 minute. I'm sharing my screen. So can you see here? This is the mistake. You have not added this part of the code. Change gifts by 1. So you have to put it here in the sensing part. You have not put this. You can put this and it will be start working.